Hello, my name is Kestutis, and today I'll show you how to generate leads for your business. Let's get started. As a business owner or a marketer, it's only natural to be on a constant lookout to expand your customer base and get more sales. To achieve that, you'll have to find more leads. A lead is a person who is interested in your products or services. So, lead generation is the process of creating interest in your brand, attracting prospects, and turning them into customers. During the lead generation process, you'll need to collect people's data, such as email addresses, to engage with them and increase the chances of them becoming customers. But how you can collect their data? Without getting something beneficial in return, site visitors won't simply share their email address or phone numbers, right? On top of that, people are increasingly selective about what they want to receive in their inboxes. Here's where lead magnets come to the rescue. A lead magnet is a free resource or a piece of content that's meant to attract potential customers to click or download it. To access it, people will have to provide, for example, their email address. It's a win-win solution. Potential customers get the resources they want, and you get a way to contact them. Lead magnets also perform better than more traditional marketing approaches, such as cold calling or mass sending marketing emails, which can be easily marked as spam. Now the question is, what kind of content can make people willingly share their contacts? One of the most popular types of lead magnets is the editable template. Think templates for CVs, checklists, planners, spreadsheets, or anything that will help people save time and effort. Then we have downloadable PDFs or ebooks. It can be a mini guide under 10 pages or a comprehensive document with more than 100 pages. It should help readers better understand a topic relevant to your niche or products. For example, an ebook about how to build your first website. Videos have a high perceived value, as they present content in both audio and visual forms, so they were great as lead magnets. Plus, if your company holds any live webinars, you can also repurpose its recording as a lead magnet. If your business does research or collects data about particular issues, you can also offer the report as a lead magnet. For example, a report about social commerce with various relevant statistics will be especially valued by business-to-business companies. But anyone in the industry would likely appreciate reliable reports. Next, people love answering quizzes. So this type of lead magnet converts well. You can require that visitors sign up for an account to play. Or, if you have quizzes with long and in-depth results that include recommendations, such as the MBTI quiz, you can ask the reader to provide their email address to see the results. The next lead magnet will tap on basic human psychology. Everyone loves freebies. Offer product samples or free trials as your lead magnet, so people can try your product or service before committing to it. Or, if you're not a fan of the idea of providing your product for free, offer coupons or discounts as lead magnets. Create a sense of urgency by setting up an expiration date, pushing your potential customers to seal the deal before it's too late. And last but not least is the classic newsletter. This works especially well if your site already has lots of content, so people can see what you have offered so far and what to expect in the future. You can send newsletters daily, weekly, monthly, and it's a great way of building relationships with your audience. You can see that, generally, good lead magnets have one thing in common. They're all valuable. They offer benefits that convince people it's worth providing their email addresses. When creating your lead magnet, offer useful and unique content that is hard to find via search engine, or if possible, is not available on other sites. If the content is easily found somewhere else, why would someone bother downloading your content or signing up to your site? Even if the lead magnet is free, people don't want to exchange their personal information for nothing. Plus, if the content is helpful and unique, visitors are much more likely to recommend your site to people they know. To get even better results, try to include insights from experts or industry insiders. It will boost your brand's credibility and trust. And that's not all. There are two other aspects that make a good lead magnet. Besides being valuable, a lead magnet also needs to be easily accessible and provide a convenient way to learn or do things. For example, if it's a template, make sure readers can fill it out right away. Or if it's an ebook, provide it in PDF, since it's a more widely used format. Then make sure your lead magnet is relevant to your target audience and showcases your business purposes. If you own a custom print t-shirt business and you have a lead magnet about how to create a blog, you might get some leads, but they may not need your service. This lead magnet also doesn't effectively show what your business has to offer, let alone the reasons why your service is better than your competitors. The best practice is to use lead magnets as a way to share helpful information about a topic, where the solution is provided by your business. So, a great lead magnet for that business would be something like how to design and print t-shirts. This ensures that the people who download it are interested in making custom print t-shirts, or at least they know someone who needs this information. Such quality content will help you build your brand awareness and establish your customer loyalty. It also demonstrates your business expertise, boosting your authority within the industry. Now that you know what a lead magnet is and what to consider when creating one, it's time to promote it. The quickest way to capture people's attention is through advertising. You can place ads on various platforms, but the most important thing is to ensure that your audience will most likely be there. I recommend two advertising methods to promote your lead magnets: social media advertising and search engine advertising. Social media ads offer a cost-effective method with very detailed targeting capabilities. It allows you to focus your marketing budget on exact demographics, increasing the chances of reaching your target audience. But also, be mindful of the platform you choose. For example, if you sell phone cases with playful designs targeted mainly at Gen Z, you should place your ad campaigns on TikTok rather than Facebook. Meanwhile, search engine advertising involves running your ad campaigns on search engines like Google, where your target keywords relate to your business. For example, if you paid ad targets the keyword gluten-free bakery, your ads may appear on the top of the search result when somebody searches for that keyword. I recommend using pay-per-click ads, where you'll only pay a fee when someone clicks on the ad. Then use this opportunity to direct people to your product's landing page, which contains a relevant lead magnet. Before running your ads campaign, don't forget to use an analytics tool like Google Analytics. This way, you can collect data about your site visitors, including their age range and location, which can help you make well-informed decisions. While ads can help promote your lead magnets in a quicker way, they will only do so for as long as you pay for it. To streamline your budget in the long run, I recommend including content creation as part of your marketing strategy. Content will help you spread awareness about your business organically, or in other words, without ads. While ads are a place where people may find them, content works the other way around. People are searching for that content because they need what it has to offer. Organic marketing does take a longer time to bring in results, but it also creates long-lasting effects. Once you start, commit to producing content regularly. Keep in mind that consistency also helps establish your site authority. And by saying content, I mean both long-form content, like blog articles and YouTube tutorials, and shorter content, like LinkedIn posts or Instagram Reels. These types of content complement each other in educating customers and promoting your products or services. And, of course, include lead magnets in your content, like providing a link to a downloadable ebook with a relevant blog article. Create as much content as possible, but never sacrifice its quality, as poor quality content may lead to the loss of customer trust. And this brings us to the last step in generating leads. You must make your content easy to find. Apply the best SEO practices so your content will rank well on search engine results pages. Most people will not browse until page 10 of search results, especially if there's a resource that answers their question on the first page. That's why it's important to rank well on search results, as you want those readers to visit your site instead of your competitors. But optimization doesn't apply only to search engines. Optimize your titles and content on all other platforms, as people often search social media on other channels to find the content they need. Use SEO tools like Surfer SEO or Ahrefs to help you level up your SEO game. They help you do various SEO-related tasks such as keyword research and competitor analysis. And that's it! You have unlocked another skill to achieve your online success. Hopefully, this video helped you understand the basics of lead generation, including lead creation, promotion, and how to incorporate it into your content marketing strategy. If you have any questions about generating leads or you want to share your experience, let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting the like button. Subscribe to Hostinger Academy for more web development content. And until next time, I wish you best of luck in your online journey.